Hi everyone, and welcome to the winter term of Comp 2. I'm your professor, Leanne Olivier. A little bit about me. I've been teaching at TCC Northwest Campus for 15 years now, and I was a student at TCC, then went on to graduate from UTA and later the University of Texas at El Paso with an MFA in creative writing. I do teach English and Humanities, and I love teaching those subjects. I also teach British literature. And I'm also a working writer. My latest book is called Doom Loop Wonderland. It's a short memoir about surviving domestic violence, and it is being published by the Hunger Press in the spring. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about the class or if you want to talk about anything. It's going to be an intense 3 weeks, but we will get through it together. I am looking forward to getting to know you guys better.